Hello guys, hope you all are well. So today in the context of this training session, we are going to study the topic named as Show Me Bar in Tableau. As in our previous video, you have learned about shelves and cards, filters and other panels of Tableau. So in continuation to that, we have Show Me Bar, or it is a panel that would help us to select the type of chart we prefer for our analysis. But before going further, kindly subscribe to UNT channel. So we are moving toward the first type of visualizations offered by Tableau, and that is text tables. They are just like the table of rows and columns. Text tables are used to show data as it is present in data sources. You can see in Show Me the highlighted box referring to text table, and left side you can see text table created for category and sum sales from global superstore data. Remember, for creating text table, measures are kept over labels and dimensions need to be kept over either row or column. For creating text table in Tableau, one or more dimensions and one or more measures are used. Second type of chart we have is heat map. They are used to compare any dimension on the behalf of measures. In heat map, comparison of the values is done using color and size. These charts are mostly preferred when any negative impacted thing needs to be visualized, as number of accidents in a country. You can see in the graph the second type of chart is heat map. In left picture you can see sales data for various categories shown and differentiated on the behalf of size and color. For creating heat map in Tableau, one or more dimensions and one or two measures are used. Further, we have highlight tables in Tableau. They are used to apply conditional formatting over to any view. Tableau will automatically apply a color scheme for the table in the form of continuous color. As you can see, highlighted tables are just like text tables but are colored in nature. For highlighted tables, we need to have one or more dimensions and one measure only. Further, we have symbol maps. They are used as filled circle in world map. This chart is used to represent any particular happening or particular metric for any state or country. For drawing this chart, we must be having a geometric field. You can clearly visualize that data would be represented in the map of the world. And for creating symbol maps, we need to have one geographic dimension. We can also use any other dimension if needed, but measure can at most be 2 in symbol maps. Further, we have filled maps. They are ideal for visualizing geographic data. Instead of circle or square marks, in filled map, particular area is filled with continuous colors and represent the relationship that is required. Map chart visualize the geographic area with color. Via choosing this fifth type of chart, filled map would be created. And for filled map, one geographic dimension is must, and beside to it, any number of dimensions or 0 to 1 measure can be used. Further, moving to pie charts. They are used to show percentage relationships data or proportional data. If pie chart used at correct place, they can quickly show variations in the data. Pie chart once created would be using marks, whereas shelves of rows and columns are not used in it. You can see marks of color, size, angle and label marks are shown, whereas no attribute is shown over rows and column shelf. If multiple attributes are kept over rows and columns, then it would create multiple pie charts. For creating this type of a pie chart, we need one or more dimensions and one or two measures. Next, we have bar charts. Bar charts are used to show comparative relationships as well as approximate numeric values in bar. They clearly visualize the comparison between the values. Bar charts are mostly used when we need to compare the values within smaller differences. As you can see, bar chart can be horizontal or can be vertical too. For creating bar charts, 0 or more dimensions and one or more measures are required. Next, we have stacked bar chart. It is used for adding another level of detail inside the bar chart. It visualizes more than single attribute on bars with different color. Here you can see category bars are visualized with stack of ship mode with them. For creating this type of a stacked bar chart, one or more dimensions and one or more measures are used. After stacked bar chart, we have side-by-side bar chart, which is also referred as grouped bar chart. It is just like the stacked bar chart, but instead of stacks, the bar are kept side by side along the horizontal axis. As in the picture, bars are kept along that are visualizing category of sales with various ship modes in it. And for creating grouped bar chart, one or more dimensions and measures are used. Further, we have tree maps. Tree map are very powerful visualization for illustrating hierarchical data and a part-to-whole relationship. Moreover, size and colors are used to depict the differences in the values. As seen in the picture, tree maps are showing variation of category and ship mode in ratio of size and color. One or more dimensions and at most two measures are used to create tree maps. After tree map, we have circle views. Circles are used to show many powerful visualization for comparative analysis. In circle charts, circles are colored by dimensions and are sized by measures. As larger circle represent more value and different color represents different entities. Here you can see different color of circles represent different values of category, and their origin on y-axis represents the amount of sales each category holds. For circle view, we need one or more dimensions and one or more measures. Next type of chart in Tableau Show Me bar is side-by-side circles. It is variant of circle view. It allows to add more measures to get compared with each other. Just like circle view, it would represent many circles together over one view. For creating side-by-side circle view, one or more dimension and one or more measures are used, but it requires at least 3 fields for this visualization. So these are the first 12 type of charts in Show Me bar. In our next video, we would be learning about rest of the charts. Kindly mention in comment section below that how many types of charts are present in Tableau Show Me bar and choose the correct option from ABCD. If you got the concept, then hit like the button and don't forget to subscribe UNT channel. Stay connected for next videos. Till then, be safe and take care. Thank you.